Make a great choice today with the 2018 Acura TLX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, AHA, trip computer, multifunction display.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.